All right, let's take a look at a basic negative feedback loop. All right, so there's going to be a change in something away from the set point. The set point is a standard temperature, pH, standard level. So for example, like in your homes, in your apartments, the standard set point for temperature might be 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so anyhow, in the body, there's going to be a change in something away from the set point. And they're specialized cells that detect that change. They don't know what the change is, they just know that something has changed. So what they do is they send information to a control center, and a control center determines that, hey, this change is abnormal. It's either abnormally high or abnormally low, okay? And then the control center decides what to do to fix the problem to get you back down to normal. So then the control center sends signals to specialized cells that try to fix the problem to get you back down to the set point. Okay, now let's take a look at some of the technical terminology that's involved with this. So our stimulus is going to be the thing that changes. Okay, so maybe your pH rises or your pH drops. Maybe your sodium level drops. Maybe your sodium level rises. That's going to be the stimulus. Okay, and the specialized cells that sense that the stimulus is occurring are called receptors, or called sensory neurons. So these sensory neurons pick up that there's a stimulus. And then what they do is they send impulses, they send signals to the control center. And a term that we're going to use for calculation is called integration. So the control center is getting all these signals, all these impulses from all over the body, all at the same time, 24/7. And the control center's job is to sort through all this information and figure out what's going on. So the term, again, we use for that is integration. Now, 99.9% of the time, the control center is going to be the brain. There are a couple other control centers throughout your body that control certain homeostatic mechanisms. Okay? So the control center integrates, calculates, says, oh wow, it's either whatever you're talking about is either too high or too low. We're going to need to fix that. So then the control center sends impulses or signals to a group of cells, specialized cells, that are called effectors. And effectors are usually glands or muscles that attempt to fix the problem. You don't necessarily just have one effector per issue. Like for example, for body temperature, when your body temperature rises or it drops, there are a couple effectors that all kick in to bring your body temperature back down or to bring your body temperature back up. Okay, so this is some of the basic, the way the basic loop works with some of the technical terminology.